Let's go to send things over to Jeff Ray right now. Talk a little bit about the weather. Obviously, you're keeping a close eye, Jeff, on what is happening near Houston right now.
Yeah, this is how quickly things can deteriorate when you got a tropical storm headed towards you. I mean, the storm Nicholas, tropical storm Nicholas, was 65-mile-per-hour winds, still several hundred, well, about 150 miles away from where you're looking at here at Surfside Beach. This is down to the southwest of Galveston, and the waves are up, the rain is heavy, the winds are really starting to pick up, and conditions are expected to deteriorate really for all the way until tomorrow morning. This is just the start of it. Let's take a look at Dallas time lapse. We're getting a little bit of rain. I've stopped it. You see this here right here looks like fog. That's rain, light rain that has been pushing up from the southeast and moving over North Texas here and there. Spotty showers has been the story. It's starting to diminish. We'll take a look at radar and you can see what's been going on for the last couple of hours. We've seen these showers start to wane. We have a little bit still going on just north of downtown Fort Worth, moving over Saginaw, heading into Hazlet, if it lasts that long. But otherwise, most of this activity has already died down. As we take a look at temperatures, however, we had all the cloud cover earlier, 87 degrees. Look at the dew point, it's 71. It's very humid out there. It'll be very humid tonight. So you got temperatures down into the mid 80s to low 80s by 8 o'clock with that humidity and a little bit of a breeze. These were the dew points last night at about 11 o'clock. They were in the 50s. And look what happened overnight. All this humid air coming up from this tropical storm has started to enter into North Texas. And this is how it looked in the morning, by the way, if you're out early. Look at all the low cloud cover. I mean, it changed so rapidly. We'd been in dry air for about 4-5 nights in a row, and suddenly it was like this. All right. What happens to us from Tropical Storm Nicholas? Well, it's going to come on shore in the overnight hours, and all the big heavy rain is going to be on the coastal area along with the strongest winds. It will continue to push rain into North Texas, most of it along I-20 and down to the south, more specifically across our southeast counties like Anderson County and Freeport and Freestone counties. We're talking about a better chance of rain there, but this is in the noon hour tomorrow, and we can see another round of the shower activity going on. You don't see a lot of it. This is a glancing blow of this tropical storm and concern for North Texas, so we're not expecting a lot of rain. I mean, we're talking about 20% chance both tomorrow and Wednesday, and then only a 10% chance on Thursday. Mostly it's the cloud cover holding temperatures down and the high humidity. As we look at the precip totals anticipated for the next several days, look at down into Palestine with 2 inches of rain. I think that's about as close as the big rain gets. Again, this storm, Nicholas, is going to come onshore with 60-mile-per-hour winds. That's what this color is tonight, and that is where there's going to be a concentrated area of possible wind damage and a little high surf as well with that. The heavy rain will be the story with this system. I mean, we're talking about 1 inch around here, 10 inches down there. Here's your 7-day forecast. As soon as all this leaves, look what happens to this weekend. We're right back to summer. Temperatures in the mid-90s.
Yeah, no kidding. Look at that. Look at Saturday,
the way
96.
it goes. I'm trying not to look at that.